Hackers are individuals who use information technology to gain unauthorized access to computer systems or networks with the intention of committing crimes or disrupting services. However, not all hackers have malicious intentions, and some are actually working towards improving security. The term hacker has a complex history and has been used to describe individuals with different motivations and actions. The term hacker was first used in the 1960s at MIT to describe individuals who were interested in computer programming and exploring the limits of computer systems. Over time, the term has evolved to include individuals who use their skills for both good and bad purposes. Today, the term hacker is often associated with criminal activities such as stealing personal information or disrupting online services. However, there are also ethical hackers who work to identify and fix vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks before malicious hackers can exploit them. White hat, black hat, and gray hat hackers. Hackers are often classified into three different groups based on their intentions and actions. White hat hackers. These are ethical hackers who use their skills to improve security by finding and reporting vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks. They work with organizations to identify weaknesses and suggest solutions. Black hat hackers. These are hackers who use their skills to gain unauthorized access to computer systems and networks for illegal activities such as stealing personal information or disrupting online services. Gray hat hackers. These are hackers who do not have clear intentions and may use their skills for both good and bad purposes. They may initially have good intentions but can cross ethical lines and engage in illegal activities. Why do hackers investigate cybersecurity vulnerabilities? Hackers investigate cybersecurity vulnerabilities for various reasons. Some do it for personal gain, while others do it for political or social reasons. Some hackers may also investigate vulnerabilities to improve their skills and knowledge, with no intention of engaging in illegal activities. Additionally, many organizations hire ethical hackers to test their security systems and identify weaknesses that could be exploited by malicious actors. This practice is known as penetration testing and is a critical component of a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. Hackers have the ability to perform a wide range of actions, some of which can cause significant harm to individuals and organizations. Here are some of the most common activities associated with hacking. Computer fraud and cybercrime. This includes activities such as stealing personal information, financial fraud, and identity theft. Malware. Malware is software that is designed to infiltrate a computer system or network with the intention of causing harm, such as stealing data or disrupting services. Types of malware include viruses, troyans, and ransomware. Phishing. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack that involves tricking individuals into revealing sensitive information such as login credentials or financial information. Distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks. A DDoS attack involves overwhelming a targeted computer system or network with traffic, causing it to crash or become inaccessible to users. Preventing cybercrime and malicious hacking. Preventing cybercrime and malicious hacking involves a combination of technology and education. Some of the steps that individuals and organizations can take to prevent cyber attacks include keeping software up to date. Regularly updating software can help prevent vulnerabilities that can be exploited by hackers. Using strong passwords. Strong passwords and two-factor authentication can help prevent unauthorized access to computer systems and networks. Educating users on the risks of social engineering attacks such as phishing can help prevent individuals from inadvertently revealing sensitive information. Using security software such as antivirus and firewalls can help prevent malware and other types of cyber attacks. Hackers typically work in three stages: reconnaissance, attack, and control. Here's a brief overview of each stage. Reconnaissance. This stage involves gathering information about the target system or network, including identifying potential vulnerabilities, weak points, and potential access points. Attack. Once the hacker has identified potential vulnerabilities, they will launch an attack using tools and techniques such as social engineering, phishing, or malware. Control. Once the hacker has successfully gained access to the target system or network, they will establish control and begin to carry out their objectives, which may include stealing data or causing damage. Tools and techniques used by hackers. There are a variety of tools and techniques that hackers use to carry out their attacks. Here are some of the most common ones. Password cracking tools. These tools are used to crack passwords and gain unauthorized access to systems and networks. Packet sniffers are used to intercept and analyze network traffic, allowing the hacker to identify potential vulnerabilities and access points. Social engineering. This technique involves tricking individuals into revealing sensitive information or giving the hacker access to a system or network. Malware is used to infiltrate systems and networks, allowing the hacker to gain unauthorized access or carry out malicious activities. What does it take to be a good hacker? Being a good hacker requires a deep understanding of computer systems and networks, as well as the ability to think creatively and strategically. Here are some other important traits and skills that good hackers possess. Curiosity. Hackers are naturally curious and enjoy exploring how systems and networks work. Persistence. Hacking often involves trial and error, so persistence is important in overcoming obstacles and finding vulnerabilities. Problem-solving skills. Hacking requires the ability to identify and solve complex problems. Ethical considerations. Good hackers understand the importance of ethical hacking and work within legal and ethical boundaries. Detecting hackers can be a challenging task, as they often use sophisticated techniques to evade detection. However, there are several technologies and strategies that can be used to identify and track down hackers. Intrusion detection systems, IDS. These systems are designed to monitor network traffic for signs of unauthorized access or suspicious activity. They can detect and alert security personnel to potential attacks in real time. Network forensics. This involves analyzing network traffic logs and other data to identify potential vulnerabilities and track down the source of an attack. Security information and event management. CM systems collect and analyze data from various sources to detect and respond to security events. Honeypots. These are decoy systems that are designed to attract hackers and gather information about their methods and tactics. Preventing hacking attacks. Preventing hacking attacks involves implementing various security measures to protect systems and networks from unauthorized access. Here are some effective strategies for preventing hacking attacks. Strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Using strong passwords and multi-factor authentication can help prevent unauthorized access to systems and networks. Regular software updates and patches. Keeping software up to date with the latest security patches can prevent vulnerabilities from being exploited. Employee training. Providing regular training on cybersecurity best practices can help employees recognize and avoid common hacking tactics like phishing. Network segmentation. Segmenting networks can help limit the spread of an attack and prevent hackers from accessing sensitive data. Hacking attacks can have significant material and non-material impacts on individuals, organizations, and society as a whole. Here are some of the effects of hackers. Hacking attacks can result in financial losses for individuals and organizations. Cybercriminals can steal money, personal information, and sensitive business data, causing significant financial damage. Hacking attacks can damage the reputation of individuals and organizations. News of a security breach can spread quickly, leading to loss of trust and credibility among customers, partners, and stakeholders. Hacking attacks can have legal consequences for both the hackers and the organizations they target. Cybercriminals can be prosecuted for their crimes, and organizations can face legal action for failing to protect their systems and data. Hacking attacks can cause emotional distress for individuals who have had their personal information stolen or their privacy violated. Victims of cyberbullying and cyberstalking can also experience significant emotional trauma. Importance of cybersecurity and protection methods. Given the significant impact of hacking attacks, cybersecurity has become a critical concern for individuals, organizations, and governments worldwide. Here are some of the key methods for protecting against hacking attacks. Installing antivirus and anti-malware software can help prevent malicious software from infecting your devices. Firewalls are network security systems that monitor and control incoming and outgoing traffic. They can prevent unauthorized access to your network. Encryption involves converting data into a coded form to prevent unauthorized access. It can help protect sensitive data from hackers. Regularly backing up your data can help minimize the impact of a hacking attack. If your data is compromised, you can restore it from a backup. Organizations and sectors targeted by hackers. Hackers can target any organization or individual with valuable data or resources. However, some sectors and industries are more frequently targeted than others. Here are some examples. Banks, investment firms, and other financial institutions are often targeted by hackers due to the valuable financial information they hold. Hospitals and other healthcare organizations are attractive targets for hackers due to the sensitive personal information they hold. Government agencies and organizations are often targeted by hackers seeking to gain access to sensitive information and disrupt operations. Energy and utility companies are vulnerable to hacking attacks that can disrupt critical infrastructure and cause widespread outages. In this video, we have explored the world of hackers and their impact on our daily lives. We have learned that hackers are individuals who use their knowledge and expertise to access computer systems and networks without authorization. We have seen that there are different types of hackers, including white hat, black hat, and gray hat hackers, who have different intentions and motivations for their actions. We have discussed the various types of hacking attacks, including phishing, malware, and DDoS attacks, and the damage they can cause to individuals and organizations. We have also explored the stages of a hacking attack, including reconnaissance, attack, and control, and the tools and techniques that hackers use to carry out their attacks. We have emphasized the importance of cybersecurity and the measures that individuals and organizations can take to protect themselves from hacking attacks. We have also discussed the consequences of hacking attacks, including the financial and emotional harm that they can cause to their victims. Furthermore, we have emphasized that hacking is illegal and that hackers should follow the law. We have also highlighted the dangers of becoming a hacker, both in terms of legal repercussions and personal safety. Finally, we have emphasized the importance of cybersecurity professionals and the need for more experts in this field. As our world becomes more interconnected and dependent on technology, the need for skilled cybersecurity professionals will only continue to grow. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this video has helped you understand the world of hackers and their impact on our daily lives. Please remember to stay safe and secure online, and always report any suspicious activity to the appropriate authorities.